A beautiful good day from myself, Jane Linley-Thomas. I've just arrived on site at Westown in Shangweni. So today I get to introduce you to a woman who is part of the engineering team responsible for this.
Hi Jane, I'm Sameera Thajmoon and I'm a structural engineer at SMEC South Africa. I'm currently the assistant to the resident engineer for the Kassier Rd upgrade. And this is the Kassier Rd overpass bridge.
Wow, look at it. I mean, it's got something up close, hey?
Yeah, it is, eh?
So, I mean, your involvement here, I mean, when did this begin?
Okay, so the construction for the bridge began in April of 2023, and we're currently now in the superstructure construction of the bridge deck. And yeah, this is a massive deck. I mean, we've got 660 cubes of concrete that's going to be poured in probably the last week of September, and that amounts to about 126 trucks. So this is a 4-span bridge. We've got a twin spine PreStress deck, and yeah, we've got about 67 tons of steel in the deck, which we'll show you later on.
So, I mean, are we going to actually like walk up this thing?
Yep.
Really?
Yeah, we can. I mean, this is the day-to-day job, eh?
Wow. Okay. All right. Let's do this. So very much out of my comfort zone. Oh my gosh, my lanyard just got caught in one of these sticks. Okay. All right. Let's go up the bridge then. So Sameera, this bridge is a one-way, but not for long.
Yeah, that's correct, Jane. So we've got a future widening that's coming up. It's an exact replica of this bridge right next to it here. And what's going to happen is in the future you're going to be able to have in and out access to the mall. And these are going to be quite good looking bridges because we've got quite a bit of aesthetics that we're going to be doing on the bridges. We're adding in 9 light mast poles here, which are all ranging between 0 to 20 degrees in angle. And then we're going to be adding some LED tubing to make it look a little bit like a tiara. So yeah,
wow,
she can be called the Queen of the West.
I love it. And only an engineer would say a good looking bridge. Too cool.
Okay, so as I mentioned, this is a pre-stress deck. So what you're looking at here is the pre-stressing tendons that actually go into the bridge. Currently these are just ducts, but going forward there'll be steel that's been pushed into this, and we're going to be using huge jacks to actually stress the cables in here. So the reason for this is it's actually quite a big bridge with quite a few heavy loads that's going to be traveling on it. So that's why we've done a pre-stress deck.
Wow, I can't believe this. I'm standing on a bridge. Look, Mom. How cool is this? It's not something you get to do every day, hey?
It's not.
Now you're saying we're going to go up there.